What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Gossamer from the Looney Tunes. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the top edge of the brow, leaving a small gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that comes in and then up. Let's line up the bottom over on the right and do the same thing. Now from the bottom, let's curve the brow going up and out towards the left and right side. Now I want to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. On the left side, we're going to step in, draw a half oval. Come all the way down towards the bottom, and then pull that up on the inside. Let's add a trim on the outside of the eye, stepping in, curve around, come down, then in towards the bottom. And we'll fill that trim in black. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. Starting on the left, draw a small oval. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll fill the pupils in black. Now I'm going to add a fold along the outside of the brow. Starting over on the left, bend this up and then down. Let's add a smaller fold along the outside, like a bracket. And we'll add a fold along the inside of the eyes, coming down and then out. Now we're going to draw the top edge of the mouth. Let's start underneath the left eye with a curve going up and then down. Let's round out the bottom of the mouth, go out and then up. Let's add a bracket on the corners of the mouth, bending this up and then out towards the side. Now we're also going to add a fold underneath the eyes. Starting back over on the left, go up and out. Now let's draw the side of the mouth. Starting on the left side, bend this in and then out towards the bottom. And we'll overlap the bottom of the mouth, coming out, in towards the middle, and then down on the right. Let's shift the tongue over towards the left side. Starting from the side of the mouth, going up, and then down, go back up, and then back down. Now you want to add a fold around the corners of the mouth. Starting back over on the left, go around, and then back in. And once we complete the face, let's move up to the top and draw in the head. We're going to start right in the middle, step over towards the right, bend this out, and then up, round out the top, and then go out towards the left. Let's go back to the center, bend this out and up, and then back out towards the right. Now I'm going to add a point, coming in and then down. Let's add another curve around the side of the head and then down towards the bottom. And then we'll add a point. Now I'm going to work our way around the side of the head and then down along the side of the mouth. Start back on the left. Going out. Just bend that in. I'm just going to bend that down along the side of the mouth. Let's move to the center, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in between the legs, start over on the left, bend this out. I'm just going to hook that back in towards the heel, go to the right, going out and then in. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, starting with the left, come down and then up. Let's go back over towards the left side, draw the top of the foot, going up, and we'll bend that down towards the heel. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet, just following that same curve going across. add a trim along the top, going up and then in. Let's add a circle along the inside of the heel. Now we'll add some lines along the top of the foot. Going in with 2 lines, leave a gap, and draw that again. Now we're going to go back up and draw on the outside of the leg. From the bottom, we're going to step up, goes out, and then down. Let's add a point. Just pulling that in, come down, and then in on top of the feet. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start from the side of the body with a curve, going up and then out. Let's create an overlap, stepping up, bringing this in, and then down towards the wrist. Let's curl around the thumb. From the wrist, come in, bring this out, round up the thumb, and then pull that back in. Now from the top of the thumb, curl the palm going up and then out. Let's layer the first finger on top. So we step up, come down, round up the finger, go up and in. Let's layer 2 more fingers along the outside. Starting from the bottom left, come around, up, and then down. And we'll do that one more time. Starting from the side, go around, up, and then in. Now we're going to go all the way up towards the top of the body, draw the top of the arm going up, and then out towards the side. And we'll add a point, coming in with a short line. Now you're going to round up the outside of the forearm, and just pull that in on top of the last finger. Let's add the fingernails on the tip of each finger with a half oval. So we'll start on the outside, going up and then down. And just work our way across towards the thumb. And then do the same thing on the right side. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Gossamer from the Looney Tunes. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please make sure you smash that like button because I'm posting new lessons every single week. And you might also want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.